So now chapter 3 is going to introduce us to mediums. Now, medium is not what comes between a small and a large. The medium is what the artwork is physically made of. Singular is medium, plural is media. And we're going to look at a variety of media that can be used for 2, 3, and even 4-dimensional artwork. The medium an artwork is made of can also affect the artwork's value, especially if the medium is something that's rare or more exotic. Now, here's also where we're going to go back and we're going to pick up the rest of chapter 2. Most of these mediums are ones you're probably familiar with. Chapter 3 then is going to deal with more specialized materials, some of those more exotic things. Now, while we're going to be talking about individual forms of mediums, keep in mind that many times an artist will use multiple mediums in a single mixed media composition. And also note that this is not an inclusive list. Many artists are using non-traditional mediums. An example of this would be an artwork that's created with reclaimed or repurposed items. In chapter 4, then, we're going to be taking all these pieces that we've learned about so far, along with a couple of new concepts, and we're going to begin to learn to read an artwork. Now, we've already got the principles and elements of design. We have the media that is used to create the artwork. And in this chapter, we're going to throw in the artwork's representation, also known as the artwork's form and the artwork's style. Now, pay close attention to these concepts because they're going to be used later in the final. You do have an extra assignment with chapter 4. If you have questions about it, please let me know. Do not wait until the last minute to start it. It's going to take some additional time and it's going to require a little bit of research. So here we go. Looking at what an artwork is made of and how to identify its form and style.